Hello, welcome to beach day number 2. By the beach.
Pojat ottaa arskaa tää. Moro!
So yeah, we took a quick swim.
Yeah.
And now it's time for barbecue party.
Yes. Chicken. Very good.
This is the grill. It's shit.
We're gonna eat raw chicken today.
Here is my lunch or dinner for the day. Half a kilo of chicken.
It's not so healthy. Don't try it. Always remember to hydrate. Unless you are dry fasting. Then you shouldn't.
Alright, so we are gonna light up this.
We're going to discover fire today.
We are Neanderthals. Shoot that paper. Yeah. Alright, so the grill is on fire. And we're gonna enjoy some chicken. Come film. Film the grill a little bit. There's an ant in my food.
So we found a little treat. Quite tasty.
This is great.
It's a bit hazardous, but pretty good nonetheless. Vertaiku Suomen laissa on vissiin laiton tehdä nuotia.
Joo.
Mut noit saa käyttää. Pajalla ja setällä aina kalastusreissuun myös. Varmaan.
Grill stick. We are gonna sharpen up these grill machetes with this stone.
The grindstone. Let's get to grinding.
So yeah, let's get to work. Oh shit. It cracked. This might take for a while. I think mine's sharp enough. I'm gonna kill all the germs. This grill isn't even hot. What the hell? Yeah, this grill was extremely cheap. So yeah, only half of the grill is hot. This other side is fucking cold.
We're going to be practicing raw chicken resistance today.
Yeah, we are gonna have to eat some raw chicken or medium, but that's okay. It's fun to have a diarrhea once in a while. give me the camera. Because you are putting sausage, so I'm gonna have to film it. Go ahead. So you only eat pig's meat, am I correct?
Yes.
Bulgatori is kinda tired after hard day at the work.
Yes, very hard.
At what time did you woke up today?
3:30.
In the morning, yeah.
Human's time.
Let's see what's underneath here. Well, it kinda looks nice, but a little more time. This chicken looks definitely a lot cheaper than this one. This is extremely delicious looking. This is just yellow shit slice. Remember to hydrate, except if you are dry fasting. Then you are not supposed to drink at all for one fucking week.
Everyone cried. Earlier.
So, I think it's about ready. I hope. It doesn't seem to be raw.
It looks extremely freaking delicious.
It is. Very juicy.
Take another bite. We love watching you eat. Just 3 Neanderthals hanging around in the summer. Experiencing fire. It's time for me to taste this fucking chicken. Hopefully it's not raw, but if it is, it doesn't matter. Well, it seems like it's fine.
How does it taste?
Freaking delicious. Holy shit, this is not raw. Oh god, it tastes like honey. I think it's honey flavored. Fucking amazing. Just a Neanderthal enjoying some chicken.
Natural lifestyle.
Check that guy out. We're gonna give him some fucking food. Let's see. Can't get it.
So fire, who's boss?
Water versus fire.
Mission successful.